Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and for those of you visiting my channel again, welcome back, and I love you too much. So since the New Year is around, I thought of creating this New Year Eve special look. So this look is going to be a Indo-Western fusion kind of a look, wherein I tried, doing a little bit of experiment with the dress and the makeup that I'm wearing. I hope it's turned out well. So please watch till the end of this video to know how I created this look. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm done prepping my skin for today, so we'll directly move on to the makeup. I'll first be using this illuminating moisturizer by Sugar, basically to sort of give that glow to my skin. I love glowy skin, and especially on the New Year's Eve when you're going to be out there the entire time, I think you need a base product which helps you glow from within. So this is the product that I'll be using. I've been recently in love with this product. It is actually such a good product that I think, because it's a moisturizer, you can actually use it anytime you want to have that subtle glow and you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I think even then this product would work well. Now that we're done with the illuminating moisturizer, I'll be using this particular product by Nykaa, which is their primer, Prep Me Up Primer. This is actually one of my current favorite products these days. I really like this product and I highly recommend getting it, especially for the price that it is. I think it does a wonderful job. Now today first we'll be going ahead with the eye, because I'm going to be using glitter, so I don't want the fallout to spoil my base. So I'll first be doing the eye today. So first I'll be doing my brows, for which I'll be using this Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake. I'll be taking this particular shade. I'm just filling out the gaps. As you can see, my eyebrows are already pretty thick. I don't really have a lot of gaps, but in case you do, you need to fill them up properly. Then just take the spoolie, you can take any spoolie, and just brush your eyebrows. Next, I'll be using this Nykaa's concealer palette, and I'll be taking this particular shade and I'll just be applying it on the the upper lid first. Next, I'll just be putting some powder and I'll be setting the concealer. So today for the eyeshadow look, I'll be using this Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette. I actually got it recently, and today is actually the first time I'll be using this particular palette. I have tried their Rose Gold palette and the, I think, Nude palette, and oh my god, the pigmentation is amazing. But this particular palette also has like amazing color scheme, as you can see. I think I'm absolutely in love with this, and I'll just be trying it out today. So we'll first be going with this particular shade. Then next I'll be going ahead with this particular shade. So then what I'll be doing next is I'll be using this particular gold shade. So next what I'll be doing is I'll be using this loose foil pigment from Swiss Beauty just to add that hint of glitter. So now I'll just be cleaning off the fallout. So next for today's look, I'll be going ahead with this Nykaa's Black Magic Liquid Liner. Now what we'll be doing next is we'll be setting the base. So first I'll be using a concealer to cover my under eyes. I'll be using the same concealer palette by Nykaa to do this. I'll be taking this particular shade. Next I'll be using this particular foundation by Huda Beauty. I'm in the shade Amberity 310. This foundation actually has a kind of a smell to it, like a very perfumey smell. I don't mind the smell so much, but it's a pretty strong smell. And this foundation gets dry very soon, so you need to, kind of like immediately sort of blend it into your skin. This is a full coverage foundation. Next, what we'll be doing is I'll be applying this concealer by Maybelline under my eyes. So after this, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set my face. Next, I'll be using this Nykaa's Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie. After this, I'll be going with this highlighter by Nykaa. This is in the shade 24 Glam 01. So after this, we'll just be moving back to the eye and completing the rest of the steps. I'll be using this Plums Kajal. Next, what I'll be doing is, I'll be using this particular shade again and I'll be applying it on the lower lash line. Now to finish off the eye makeup look, I'll be using this Maybelline New York's Hyper Curl Mascara. Now to finish off the look, I'll be using this particular lipstick by MAC. This is in the shade Diva. This is another one of my most used and most favorite shades. I'll show you in a minute how beautiful the color looks. So this is how the lipstick color looks like. I'm sure you guys also must be liking this particular lip color. Now, since it's New Year's look, I wanted to keep the lips, a bit bold. After this, what I'll be doing is, I'll quickly be applying some highlighter on my collarbones to give them that extra highlight. So finally, as the last step of the makeup, because we want our makeup to last the entire time, I'll be using this MAC's Fix Plus Rose spray. This will definitely help my makeup last for at least 6 to 8 hours. So this is the finished makeup look. Let me quickly put on some earrings and do my hair and be right back. So this is how this particular makeup look along with the dress turned out. So as I told you in the beginning of the video that this is going to be, an Indo-fusion, Indo-Western fusion kind of a look. So I hope it's come out well. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this look. And please do suggest, videos on which like more and more topics on which I could make more videos. That would be really helpful. And definitely don't forget to like, share and recommend this video, and definitely don't go leaving this video without subscribing. Please do subscribe to my channel right away and share it with all your friends. And here's wishing you a very, very, very happy new year with all your loved ones, and the new year hopefully brings a lot of prosperity and joy in all of your lives. Love you all. Bye.